look, we're all the way at the end of the course, week 32. This is it. So the course ends next Sunday. So make sure you get everything done. I have to, let's see here, I have to add something because complete Mrs. Irene's blue tent survey. She just sent me this, so I forgot to add it here in the to-do. So what are we doing this week? You're going to watch this quick video, which will be very short because there's not too much left to do. You're going to finish with biological therapies. There's a short discussion on why when we're treating mental health, we really have to be sensitive to different cultural and ethnic differences. All right, it's very important that we think about these things. You're going to turn in steps 5 and 6 of your stress project. Hopefully you've been keeping a log of how that's going. I hope you found something useful. And then you wrap up your last unit with the mental health project. And remember, we talked about this last week. You don't need to write a lot. It can be in bulleted form. And make sure you pick out 5 different illnesses, right? So that you're showing what you know across diagnosing and treating and the prognosis for those illnesses. And then, like I said, there's 2 surveys at the end. One is for me to help me improve my course for others. And the second is from Miss Irene at Blue Tent, who's working on helping Blue Tent become accredited for all students, and that's actually very important. It makes a lot of paperwork easier and shows that, you know, we're meeting standards, the accreditation standards. So she would really appreciate it. And then I want to thank you one last time for all your hard work this year. I know in some ways we didn't get to see each other, so it feels like maybe we don't know each other that well, but through all of your work, I think I've gotten to know quite a bit about you, and I hope that you feel you have learned a lot about yourself. So if there's anything that you need in this last week, let me know. And thank you for finishing the class by Sunday.